he's gonna be playing a game. Whoa. I know, right? Strange. He's lately been doing reviews. Wow, it's really dark. Guys, I got a plan. Anyone that comes to this floor is gonna get shot. Oh, yo, what is up, guys? The Random Gamer, I didn't see you guys there. I thought Bandicam was still acting up. But anyway, this is a test for my audio. Please tell me if you hear anything, which I haven't heard any ads lately. Oh, if you hear an advertisement, I'm really sorry. But I don't know how to turn them off. Oh crap, there's the crane I was sniped on. Okay, and please tell me below if you hear me or not. And oh, yo, you advertisers, companies that hear these advertisements that go on, where's my cut? Wow, I'm getting teammates spawning on me all over left and right. Take cover! Alright, guys, we're going in for a frontal assault. Now, I'm using a touchpad, so I won't be able to aim and shoot at the same time. I'll be firing from the hip. But hey, you know what? I'm taking damage. Bad idea. Move. Oh, frack. Big fight happened here. So you guys, you're gonna see how bad I am at first person shooters real quick. I'm not, especially with the touchpad. Well, with these anyway. Subscriber, I will shoot you in the head with the machine gun. So hold up. Let's see if we can afford. What rank am I? Okay, we're almost to rank 2. We can almost get the next pistola. Here we go. This is the gun I've got most kills on. I've gotten very few with a sniper rifle. So if you guys want, I will try to make a video on Call of Duty on my PS3. Like, I suck at FPS, just keep that in mind. And it'll be like an extra long video after I clear out some storage. Now, this is where I get most of my XP and tickets from. Teammates spawning on me. I got a passion in my... Frick. Alright, going in frontal assault. We won! Between two devils, I always pick the one I never tried before. I mean, between two evils, I always pick the one I tried before. So we remain in Phantoms. Oh my gosh.
The couple has ended their relationship after 5 years, and a source close to the pair claims that they parted ways earlier this month. Still no word on who pulled the plug, but it sounds like things are over for good. Photos of Gaga have surfaced online of her without her engagement ring, and reports claim they've been absent from each other's lives for a while now. The pair got engaged on Valentine's Day 2015, and they've been vocal about their wedding plans in almost every interview since. So far, neither star's camp has commented on the story.
Yeah, it's like Attack 45 from Black Ops 2. Sports, let's play sports, cricket. What?
Have all your stuff ready for banging?
It is ready.
You taking a shower?
No. Oh my gosh, Mommy, you ruined my recording. Okay. Let's get back to it from the interruption. We got 4 minutes until this video's done. Cause, you know, I cannot get Bandicam full yet. Ask me if I take a shower during my darn recording. What's wrong with you? I swear, that gives me a bad rating. Okay, we've got 2 of 3 locations. It's not good enough. We gotta have all 3. Frack. Alrighty, guys. How do we use the grenades? Sports, let's play sports, cricket ball, red card, a magnet, and a friend will get attracted. It's minus. Let's dig a hole. Whoops. Move. A magnet and a friend were attracted. And it's my best friend. Let's dig a hole. Boo ba ba boo ba. I teach you how to buy a canoe. A magnet and friends were attracted. It's my best friend. Let's dig a hole. Way at the bottom. So guys, what is up, guys? It's your boy, the Random Gamer, and Flare Domination. M60 noob. Give it up, you freak iron. So we're going to use my assault gun. So let's just get right into it, and thankfully there's been no... Oh, the map's changed. Sweet. Let's dig a hole. So yeah, I'll be doing a not Fallout video, but a Call of Duty video next. If you guys are interested in that. See how bad of an FPS how bad at FPS I really am. Oh, good. We're near a checkpoint. Okay, this place is clear. All right, move on, move.